Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up app lock on Xiaomi 17. First of all, we're gonna have to open settings on the smartphone, then scroll down to apps menu in the settings list, and here in apps go to app lock and then select the password type for your app lock, switching from the screen locked to privacy protection password. Then turn on your app lock, tap setup, and then create a privacy protection password by entering a 6-digit PIN twice. Make sure to remember it. Then if you want to, you can add your Xiaomi account to make sure that you'll be able to reset password in case you forget it. Tap add if you want to add an account, and then select the applications that you want to protect using an app lock, and then tap use app lock. You can also additionally use your fingerprint or facial data if you want to unlock your apps using faster access options. Here you can select additional applications that you want to lock, and now the app lock will be active. So if we will try to open any of the locked applications, we're gonna have to enter the password to do so, or use fingerprint or facial data. And to disable the app lock, tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen and switch this toggle to the left. Tap OK, and now the app lock will be disabled. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.